So here's the property at Coconut Shores. And that just leads over to two storage areas and of course the two-car garage. Plenty of storage area. And there is an area to plumb in, kind of an outdoor sink if you wanted one. The place has definitely been freshly painted. You can still smell it. And the living area is absolutely ginormous. I would say you're probably looking at 1,200 of the square feet, 1,300 square feet just there. So this is one of the bedrooms. It doesn't have a door. You could probably do some sort of bifold or something to give it a little bit of privacy. It is a large room, but you do have that window right there. If you wanted to make it a bedroom, maybe put an opaque window there so that it still has light, and then maybe put some sort of slider or bifold door to kind of close it off. Half bath. This is going to be a traditional bedroom. Looks like you're missing the washer and the dryer. Plenty of storage space. And here's another room, once again. You could use this as an office / den. Has kind of a private access to the lanai, which is nice. And truly all you need to do is put something over that opening to give some privacy, but this is a nice sized room as well. So really it's almost like 2 bedrooms and 2 dens. Plenty of outdoor space in all directions. Has a lot of privacy, but I'm sure you can hear there is a little bit of road noise. That is the wall over there, and there's Coconut Point Road right going behind it. And this is 5 o'clock right now, so traffic is a little heavier than usual, but it is definitely not a quiet road. Two nice walk-in closets. So there's tons of space, high ceilings. I guess the only negatives are going to be that little bit of road noise, and the fact that both third bedrooms are more dense, but I think either one or even both of them could be configured for temporary guests if you were interested in doing that. I hope this helps.